and this is going for 3.5 million naira. All right guys, welcome to Video Map Autos. So I'll be showing you different kind of cars that we have here in our car stand. So right here is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML350, a very clean foreign used car, and this car is going for 28.5 million naira. So if you need this car, do well to call us. And also here is a clean foreign used Lexus ES350 2014 model. This is also foreign use, and this is also going for 19.5 million naira. If you need any of these cars, the phone number to call is 091 3924 9100. Also here with me is a 2014 Toyota Corolla Altis. This car is a buy and drive, nothing to fix. Nigerian use, you got nothing to worry about. Everything is just like a foreign use vehicle. It is going for 14 million naira. A foreign use Mercedes-Benz C300 with a 4-plug engine and a beautiful interior. And this car is going for 20.5 million naira. And that is the last price. So call us for inquiries. Also here with me is a Nigerian neatly used Lexus ES350 2007 model, very clean. I would love to show you the interior of this one. Let me show you the clean interior. All right, so right here is the beautiful interior. You see it has a seat cover, control buttons on the steering, very clean car, and clean dashboard, factory fitted AC, automatic transmission. It's a thumb start all the way to the back AC vent. It also has pillow for you so that you can actually relax your back and do whatever you want to do. All right, let me show you the rear view of this car. This car has a sunroof too. Here is the review of this car. It's a 2007 model ES with a reverse camera, and this car is going for 8.5. All right, let me show you more of it that we have. If you need any of these cars, the phone number to call is 091 3924 9100. So here with me is a 2019 Nissan Maxima, very clean car, you can see it. And this car is going for 23.5 million naira. Also here is a Nigerian neatly used Lexus ES350. Take a look at it. It's a silver exterior and a black interior with a double panoramic roof, a 2007 model. And this car is going for 7.5 million naira. Also here is also a 2008 Toyota RAV4. Take a look at it. It's a black exterior and also a black interior leather. And this car is going for 9 million naira, and it is slightly just some more something. If I see your seriousness, we'll remove small something for you. This is also a Nigerian neatly used Hyundai Sicily, a very clean car, and this is also going for 6.6 million naira. All right, let me show you. Move behind. Let me show you another clean cars we have here. So we have right here a Nigerian neatly used Honda Accord 2006 model. Let me show you the lovely interior of this car. All right, this is the lovely interior. It has a milk leather seat interior, controls on the steering. Take a look at the dashboard. You can see it also has AC vents, automatic drive, reverse camera. That's the back seat, so comfortable, clean. And this car comes with a sunroof. You can see right here. Let me show you the review of this car. This is the review of this Honda Accord 2006 model, and this is going for 3.5 million naira. Let me show you the rest. Also here is also a 2012 Toyota Camry, very clean car. This car is just like a foreign used car rather. With a beautiful interior. You will love this. And this car is going for 12.5 million naira, and that is the last price. So right here with me is a 2012 Toyota Venza, very clean car. It's a Nigerian neatly used with a beautiful interior. This is going for 13.5 million naira. And also here is a Nigerian neatly used Toyota Venza. This is another one. If you need the silver, we need this color too. We have them. This is 2010 model. This is also going for 13.5 million naira. This is a 2004 Toyota Corolla, Nigerian neatly used, very clean. For those of you who need the car for Uber, come and get this car, or you want to use it for, commercial vehicle, taxi. So come and get. This is going for 5 million naira. Also here is a neatly used Hyundai Sonata. This is the neatest you can get in the whole of Rivers State, Nigeria. So if you're looking for a cheap car, come and get this lovely car. Let me show you the interior of this car. So guys, this is the lovely interior of this car. It has control on the steering, a clean dashboard you can see right here. Reverse camera, sound system, factory fitted AC, thermostats, automatic transmission. The AC of this car is working very well. And that's the back seat view. Don't forget, this car is just like a foreign used vehicle, buy and drive, nothing to fix. It also has a sealed roof. Let me show you the review of this car. This is the review of this car. It's a 2013 model Hyundai Sonata, very clean, with a reverse camera, and this car is going for 9 million naira, and it is slightly negotiable. Also here with me is a 2010 Toyota Corolla. Let me show you the face of this vehicle, and this car is going for 7 million naira only. So here with me is a Ford Edge, and this car is going for 8.5 million naira, and that's the last price. So I'll be showing you car behind. Let's go. Come with me. Let me show you the face of this car. Take a look at the face of this. Is a 2015 Hyundai Sonata, very clean car, and this one is going for 13 million naira, and it's not negotiable. All right, here with me is another neatly used Toyota Avalon, very clean, you can see, and this one is going for 5.8 million naira. All right, so moving on, this one is a 2005 Toyota Avalon. This car has an amazing interior, buy and drive, nothing to fix. But let me show you the lovely interior of this car. Let's see this one. This is the lovely interior. Control buttons on the steering, you can see, clean dashboard, Formica designs everywhere, reverse camera, automatic drive. It's a keyless vehicle. That's the back seat view, very durable. You can see it, relaxable with back AC vents, and this car has a sunroof. Let me show you the rear view of this car. This is the rear view of this car. This is a very clean Toyota Avalon, Nigerian-used, and this one is going for 6.5 million naira. So, all right, moving on. All right, so this is the 2019 Jack Hilux, very clean car, Nigerian-used, and this car is going for 11.5. Here with me is a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a very clean car, you can see, and this car have a little issues, and this car is going for 7 million naira. That's what we are giving this car for, and it's slightly negotiable. Come with your mechanic so that you can detect the fault that is disturbing this car. Here with me is a Nigerian-used GS 300, very clean. This car has reverse camera, parking assisting sensor, right? And this guy, the interior is given. This is going for 6.5. So here with me also is a 2014 Honda Accord, very clean car with a beautiful interior, and this is going for 8.5 million naira. Okay, I'll give you for 8 million. Let me remove the 5. I'll give you for 8 million naira. And also here, this is a clean Honda too, going for an affordable price. You can see right here. Also, let me show you this 2018 Honda Accord. Take a look at the face of this car. This car is given. I would love to show you the interior of this one. Let's view the interior of this car. This is the lovely interior, control buttons on the steering, it's a thermostat, clean dashboard, you can see down here. Everything is working perfectly well, good sound system, automatic drive all the way to the back AC vent, very spacious and clean. Don't forget, this is a Nigerian neatly used, just like a foreign used vehicle. Let me show you the rear view of this car. This is the rear view of this car with the reverse camera, and this is a 2019 Honda Accord, and this is going for 19.5 million naira. So let me show you more. This is a Big Daddy. This is a 2004 Toyota Camry, popularly known as Big Daddy. This one I'm giving out for 5 million naira. 5 million naira, you can carry this car. So here also is a 2012 Toyota Tundra, a very clean car. This one you see right here, and I'm giving out this one for 21 million naira, and it's slightly negotiable. So here also is a GX460 2008 upgraded. That's the face and everything, and this one is going for 22 million naira. My name is Wisdom. Welcome to Video Map Autos. If you need any of these cars, the phone number to call is 091 3924 9100. 091 3924 9100. Our address is along Rumola Link Road, close to NNPC filling station, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.